So what you can also do is you can go ahead and upload out a PDF file as you like and then ask contents out of it as if you're talking to the PDF file. So to do that, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, click on this attachment icon, and over here you can see that PDF is one of the types of files that you can go ahead and upload. So now I'm simply going to go ahead onto, let's say, for example, onto my YouTube drive right here where I have some, let's say, for example, some PDF file right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and open up that PDF file, and I can simply go ahead and ask, let's say, for example, explain the contents of this PDF file right here. And then if I were to go ahead and hit send, then what happens is that it'll read the content out of that PDF file and then will reply it to me accordingly. So it says the PDF file appears to be a presentation or a report related to sales data for various gaming consoles, and here's a breakdown. So you can see that this is what you have. So it lists out the information in page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and so forth, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and upload out a PDF file as you like and then ask contents out of it in DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.